Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here at KBIS in Las Vegas, at the Kitchen Bath Industry Show 2024, and I'm here talking to Jennifer from Empava, and you know what? I learned some things today, and you're going to too. When I think of Empava, I certainly knew about their 24-inch wall ovens, but it turns out there's a lot more to it than that. Jennifer, why don't you tell us about it?
Yes, so most people when they think of Empava, they think of a basic oven, maybe a basic gas cooktop, but actually we're all about innovating. We define ourselves as innovators and dreamers, constantly pursuing meaningful improvements to your home appliances as well as your bathroom. So with that said, this product is part of our newest innovative series called Ariana Innovation. It's actually our 36-inch induction range. So the top actually features 5 total burners. And what's really unique about this product is that the central burner is actually the first 4,000 watt center heating zone certified for residential use. So it's really good for making really high heat dishes like that super tasty, yummy, saucy stir fry. And the outer burners can actually power as low as 400 watts, for really delicate simmer like melting chocolate, for strawberries, stuff like that. And the outer burners, what's really unique about them is actually our proprietary Magni Bridge technology, which basically means that they turn into a really spacious griddle style cooking space. So that way you don't have to think about, maybe what pans fit on top of your induction tops. We already made one basically nested inside.
Now, okay, so we've got the 5 burners here. These 2 look like bridge burners, is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. And so for folks who follow along, you already know I love induction. It's one of the safest, most efficient ways to cook. And let's talk about the oven capacity here. So this is a 36-inch oven. Is this available in a 30 yet?
No, not yet. Just 36-inch.
Okay. And I see we've got a couple of oven racks. I see a convection fan in the back. Is that a true European convection with a heating element?
Yes, it is.
All right. And let's test the door here. You know what? I can tell that this door is really heavy, but it's actually really easy to close. Is that a slow close hinge, I feel? Okay. And now, like I said, I knew Empava made appliances, but it turns out we've got some other stuff to show you in the bath as well. Let's go take a look.
Yes.
And here we go. So we have here the Empava Whirlpool Tubs. And I see 1, 2, 3 waterfalls here. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 waterfalls here. We've got headrests. Oh, these are foam, you guys. And I see hydro jets, and I'm assuming there's some air jets in there too?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so we actually have a lot of hydro jets as well as air jets. And my favorite thing about this bathtub is that it just really elevates your overall self-care experience. So it comes with a really amazing aromatherapy. So this basically infuses your bath water, and if you want to smell it, it smells amazing. You could use your own essential oils too. It doesn't have to be ours. And to add even more to your ambiance and experience, it actually comes with our new milk bath feature. So basically what that means is we call it milk bath because it basically microbubbles that really infuse your skin. They penetrate all the way down to your pores. They clean your pores out. They make your skin basically just entirely really soft for a long time. And you can turn that feature on as simple as with a touch of a button. And you don't even have to turn off all the other features. It will automatically do the milk bath along with all the other features like the waterfalls, the jets, and everything. So I think that's what's really special about this product.
Now, for the folks at home who've been following along, you may have already heard this story, but I'm going to repeat it here, is when it comes to microbubbles in the tub, a lot of people get a little bit confused. They think, well, how does that help me relax? It doesn't. It's not supposed to. That's not what it's for. It is for health, it is for wellness, it is for skincare. So even if you consider yourself the cleanest person on the planet and you scrub daily, it will still, you will notice stuff coming out of your pores, and it is both disgusting and wonderful. So yes, I am a big fan of the microbubble technology. So all right, and I heard something about a hearth oven or a pizza oven. Can we go take a look at that?
Yes, we can.
All right, here we're looking at the Empava pizza oven here, and I see we've got some color options on this too.
We have our pizza oven in a really beautiful, elegant, just stainless steel, as well as a beautiful Italian vintage red. So our pizza oven has really rapid preheating. It preheats all the way under 5 minutes. And it has the beautiful marble tiles inside as well. Our outdoor pizza oven is actually really strong. You have to actually be careful not to burn, like your pizza. It can power all the way up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's a good pizza temperature right there, let me tell you.
Yes.
So for folks who follow me, I'm a big fan of pizza ovens. Now, the great thing about pizza ovens is they're not just pizza ovens. They're ovens. Anything you can make in the oven, you can make in here. I've had a full meal all out of a pizza oven, and I've had cake out of a pizza oven, you guys. So don't let the word pizza fool you. It's good for a lot of things. As I'm looking in here, I see the burner in the back, and I'm seeing the porcelain on the floor. That probably retains some of that heat, and the curvature probably directs and causes sort of a natural rise and fall of the heat, giving it sort of a convection action, right?
Yes.
And then, did I hear somebody say something about tabletop?
Yes. So actually we have our new pizza oven coming. It's also for outdoors. It's our new tabletop pizza oven. And it's actually even more powerful than these. That one can go all the way up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And it's very simple. It's a little bit smaller than this, so it's really perfect to set on top of, any tabletop surface.
And it looks like at least this model is ready to go for like a propane bottle, standard barbecue propane.
Yes.
But Jennifer, is there anything I forgot to ask that you want to tell me about?
So actually we have expanded over into the bathroom, vanity, and mirror arena.
Okay. Oh, really?
So if you want, I can show you. We can head over there.
Let's go. Okay, so here are the Empava vanities here. Are these your faucets as well?
Yes, we have beautiful waterfall faucets as well as, these regular faucets. So for now, we just have these two models, but they will be customizable with different finishes as well as different marble patterning. Also, the cabinets are actually silently closing, so you can if you're angry, and they'll still silently close.
Awesome. No more slamming doors.
Yes,
Okay.
no more slamming doors. We also have our two infrared sensing mirrors.
This is backlit.
Yes, so this one is actually backlit, and both of these are also anti-fog, meaning, they will retain the heat enough that you won't have any foggy mirrors anymore.
I'm willing to bet there's probably like a heating element inside that.
Yes, that's
okay.
correct.
All right, that keeps it from fogging up.
Yes.
All right, and then so we have. I knew this was a lighted mirror, but this has the LEDs just sort of around the edge there. So
Yes.
this is more for maybe like an ambient lighting, or
Yes,
this is definitely not like
ambient
task lighting
lighting.
like this would be.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. And then, are these the only two vanities that you guys carry as far as style? I see we've got a green shaker here, and we've got the white beadboard here.
Yes, that's correct. For now, we just carry these two, but we will be expanding different patterns and everything to suit any bathroom.
And are these right now available, or is this coming?
These are actually coming soon, so these will be available, I would say, late summer, early fall.
Okay, so just to recap, the Induction Range is coming later this year.
Yes.
These tubs about the same time frame?
Yes, they will be coming in the middle of the year.
Okay, all of this,
products, yes.
but the pizza ovens,
The
these,
pizza ovens?
these folks can get now.
Yes, you can actually get now the pizza
Okay.
ovens.
All right, perfect. And when these come out, will these be available in sizes, or is it just this, what is that, a 60-inch?
I believe they will be available in different sizes. For now, this is around 60-inch, so this would be like our basic model. But I believe
Okay.
they will be customizable.
Awesome. All right, is there anything you guys think I forgot to ask?
Oh, I believe that's it.
Wonderful. Thank you, Jennifer.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below, because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.